Hi to all. I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last class we discussed about Linux videos. So now today I'm going to start new topic. So not a new topic. Actually I started previous only JMeter series. Now onwards I am going to continue with both Linux and JMeter series. I have already playlist like in our channel. If you have time, please go and check it out. So I hope you understand. So now today topic is how to record the script using BadBuy tool and how we are going to import into the JMeter. Actually we can record the script using JMeter also, but sometimes it won't record it for all actions in the application. So for the gunshot we are using BadBuy tool and Fiddler. So Fiddler and BadBuy is the most using tools like for the recording, script recording. So coming to BadBuy, so BadBuy tool they are using mostly for .NET applications and Java applications. So today I will going to show you how we are going to install BadBuy application and how we are recording step by step and how we are importing. So for that you can type in Google download BadBuy tool. So now you are able to see, right, 2.2.5 download. So this is a version. So maybe you are difficult to find, just I given the link of this one. Just I'll give in the description also. You can go to the description and you can download. This is the one. So this is the 7 MB file. That's it. Wait, I'll tell you exact the size. Yeah, it's a 7.5 MB. Just you click on exe file, this one, just you can download and just you click on yes. That's it. So after that you are able to open this one. You are able to see like this. Just if you want, this is a confirmation. 1 second. So this is the BadBuy tool. Wait, this is a BadBuy tool. So now here I want recording. So I have entered, I think you guys know, right, Blaze demo. There is no perfect site to explain about the recording. So, right, so Blaze demo, just I open the tool. So maybe you are able to see this icon BadBuy, the buy icon here. So for coming to here, just you are enter that your website URL, like is any URL. So for explaining purpose I am using the Blaze demo here. Just you can enter the URL and you can start recording. Okay, so this is the one. You can start recording and you can press enter. So and it will ask this one, do you want to view only web page content? Click on yes. That's, and one more time click on yes. Okay, so it will take to the home page. Here what you are going to do now, like you can select from the departure city and the destination. Okay, so for this one also we are here, right, already step is there. Okay, just click on find flights. Okay, so here just you click on yes. It will for authorization access for HTTPS connection. Click on yes. Okay, now here it will ask for, you need to select flight, right? From here, so I have created test. So we can create child steps also for the each step. So this is the step 2. We can modify it here, or you can modify in the JMeter also, no issue. So I am using here, see, this is a test. Under the step 1 I open the home page and I select the flights from the departure and this location, and the step 2 I am going to choose the flight. Okay, it will be recorded under that step 2. Okay, you got my point, I think. So let me click on continue. This is the access issue actually. You can click on yes. Okay, so coming to here, so here I need to enter some details, right? So for this one also I am going to add new step, add child step. Okay, step 3. So enter this name. So enter any details, no issue. Okay, state, enter random visa, enter any random card number, 519, name of the card, roll, purchase flight. Click on yes. Yes, you want to run the scripts on this page. It will ask yes. See, it's showing the confirmation prompt. Okay, so now I'm going to stop the recording. Okay, the recording will be stopped. So just I'm going to import to the JMeter. Okay, export to the JMeter. It will show in the down you are able to see, right, JMeter files to the JMX. So I have already the script I have already stored. So now I don't want. So just you can enter. See here you can enter the modifying name and the JMX. Okay, I have already script, so I don't want to. So I'm just clicking on the cancel. So now I want to tell you one more thing here. Here in the down you are able to see, right, this is the JavaScript and jQuery response. Okay, this is the response. There is a lot of features in the bad buy tool. So like in the coming videos I will explain you. If I explain, maybe you'll get some confusion. Here you are able to see some graphs also. Okay, see the response time, the how it will be take and the response time. And one more thing I will show you for purchase also. See, this is the response time. You are able to, in the performance testing, response time is really useful one. Okay, like there's a major topic. Okay, so I'll explain you after some time. So let me go back. Here I have stored, I will show you 1 second. I have stored already script in the in the desktop. Now I am going back to open JMeter. I have already downloaded JMeter. Just you can go and open the bin, and I am going to open the JMeter now. So you can install any version JMeter. There is a after 3 there is a workbench. Okay, sorry, before 3 there is a workbench. In the 4th version and all there is no workbench. So workbench is like, it's called like what we are working on, the it will be stored in the draft plan like that. So I have already playlist for the JMeter. You can go. So just you can click on open where we are. Yes, see, see, right? Yes. 1 second. Desktop. Yeah, see, this is here. See, right? So now we are able. So I will show you the what we are recorded in there. See, this is the step 1. Okay. So here you can manage. This is the home page, and this is the reservation place, like flight what we are selected. You can modify here whatever you want the name. And step 3 the purchase, and the step 4 the confirmation form. So here see, now you are getting only perfect only these things. So while we, if you recorded in the JMeter, you will get all the calls like the JavaScript, the PHP, all calls like the bootstrap, img, png, all it will be recorded. Here also we have filter to avoid those things, but it's a gunshot script. Okay, so only these like these modules we are going to work out, right? So we are going to concentrate about these things only, like purchase, like that time, the how much it will take time, and the load and all the load and all we are validating with this one. So I hope you guys understand the video. So if you like my video, please hit help button, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I forget to tell you, so this is the one recording using bad buy tool about the future. So I already told you, using for mostly .NET and Java applications, and there are 3 steps actually to getting the load test using the bad buy. So one is the recording your script, and you can parameterization your script with a lot of users and their associate with the information and setting think times in the script. Okay, and one more thing, running your script with all your users and gathering and analyzing the results, hopefully in the graph format. I already shown you, right, graph format. I will tell you about the clearly about the graph format. I will explain, I will take a one graph and I will explain you in the next video. Hope this video will useful to you. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. That time, the how much it will take time, and the load and all the load and all we are validating with this one. So I hope you guys understand the video. So if you like my video, please hit help button, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I forget to tell you, so this is the one recording using bad buy tool about the future. So I already told you, using for mostly .NET and Java applications, and there are 3 steps actually to getting the load test using the bad buy. So one is the recording your script, and you can parameterization your script with a lot of users and their associate with the information and setting think times in the script. Okay, and one more thing, running your script with all your users and gathering and analyzing the results, hopefully in the graph format. I already shown you, right, graph format. I will tell you about the clearly about the graph format. I will explain, I will take a one graph and I will explain you in the next video. Hope this video will useful to you. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching.